Today I have something very exciting in the home. A new gaming tab from Lenovo. What is happening, boys? Vimal here, back with a new video. And usually what I've seen is people love playing games on tablet, guys, especially because of the big screen experience and much better and louder speakers, right? And for the same thing, lot of you guys, I know you keep looking to buy like a good quality tablet with powerful hardware and specs at a reasonable price point, right? You people came to the right video. Today I have something very interesting, a brand new gaming tablet from Lenovo. This is a all new Legion tab and actually packs like killer specs and hardware on board at a reasonable price point. First of all, you're getting 8.8 inches Quad HD plus 2.5K resolution Dolby Vision display, and main highlight is it's got a really high 144Hz refresh rate, guys. Paired that with a powerful Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU, 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM, 256GB storage, and not to miss out, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support. All of this at a reasonable price point. So today I'm gonna unbox and share you my detailed experience and review on this product. I'm like very excited to see what sort of gaming performance we'll get. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. And by the way, this video was made in collab with Lenovo. A big thank you to them. So our brand new Legion tablet came in this sort of packaging, compact and small looking packaging, guys. You just have the Lenovo Legion branding on the front side, and going to the back here, you can check out all of its main specs, highlights and features. We'll anyhow talk about the hardware details and highlights in a moment, right? So keeping that aside, first of all, let me tell you, this Legion tablet is available only in one color in the Indian market, which is Tom Grey, and I believe comes in like different memory configurations. Today we have the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage edition. And there you go, boys, our brand new Legion gaming tablet from Lenovo came packed like this. Let me just quickly remove this outer packaging and show you how the tab looks like. Oh wow, look at that color, guys. Beautiful looking design, right? We'll come back to the tablet in a moment. Keeping that aside, in the package you also get some accessories which include a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, some paperwork, make sure to read that, and lastly a 45-watt USB-C charger. So that was our quick unboxing part. Let me give you a closer look at the tablet and first of all tell you about the design and build quality. Now, initial impressions, I do have to mention Lenovo's Legion tablet has a beautiful looking design, guys. Definitely looks and feels quite premium for the price that you're paying. Have a look at the back profile over here. You're getting a sleek metallic finish in this beautiful storm gray color, just the Legion branding Lenovo logo on the bottom right corner, and that's it, guys. It actually looks a lot like the Legion and Log series gaming laptops, right? Now going to the top side, here you will find dual camera setup. Primary one is a 13 megapixel camera followed by a 2 megapixel macro as well. You do have a tiny LED flashlight as well. Camera bump is also quite minimum. And talking about the build quality of the tablet is also good. I've mentioned, right, you're getting a full metallic sort of body, and good thing is you're also getting chamfered edges all around the body, so that definitely adds a premium touch to the overall feel. Now talking about the dimensions, first thing you'll notice as soon as you hold the tablet is the whole compactness and portability, especially considering it's a gaming tablet, right? It is quite slim, guys. I mean, look at the side profile over here. Tablet is only around 7.6 mm and hardly weighs around like 350 grams. So even if you want to do like long sessions of gaming, right, tab feels quite convenient and comfortable when you're holding. And good thing is because it is lightweight, it is great for portability. You can easily throw it in your backpack and carry it anywhere. Let me also show you how the front profile looks like. On board, you're getting 8.8 inches Quad HD plus 2.5K resolution, and main highlight is 144Hz high refresh rate display, guys. Now bezels do look slim on the left and right profile, but at the top and bottom you do have a little bit of chin. Going to the top side, here you'll find a 8 megapixel front facing selfie camera. So in case if you want to use this tablet maybe for like education purpose or maybe for like attending meetings on conferences, you can do that, not an issue at all. Let me also show you all the buttons and connectivity ports on this model. Starting off from the right side, here you're getting a volume rocker, and just below that a power button, and that too with a neat textured finish. Quality of the buttons is also nice, feel tactile and clicky. Below that you'll find not one but two microphones for quality input recording, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing else over here. Going to the top side, here you'll find one set of speaker and the other set of speaker is on the bottom profile. So basically you're getting stereo super linear speakers on board with Dolby Atmos support. So that is pretty much it. And on the other side left profile, here you're getting a micro SD card slot as well. Yes, the storage on this thing is expandable up to 1 TB, using a micro SD card. And one more thing you might have noticed is the tab actually has like two USB-C ports on it. So let me tell you, on the bottom profile, right, you're getting a basic USB-C port used for charging and data transfer, but on the left profile, the longer side, this one is a much faster USB Gen 3.2 Type-C port that even functions as a display port as well, guys. So that's the main highlight. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly power it on and show you how the home screen, built-in apps and features, and basically talk about the software and user experience. So there you go, here's how the home screen on the Legion tab looks like. And first thing I do have to mention is the tab offers a clean operating system, guys. No bloatware, nothing like that. Stock Android sort of experience. Let's also head over to the settings and see what's available. Talking about the Wi-Fi, the tab does support dual band Wi-Fi. About 2.4G and 5 GHz bands are supported. In the display section, you've got plenty of settings like adaptive brightness support is there, and you've got plenty of refresh rate settings as well. You can choose between 60, 120 or 144 Hz extreme refresh rate as well. Auto mode is also available. In the sound section, you got the general stuff, and Dolby Atmos EQ customization is also there. One more thing I do have to mention is the tablet does support stylus pen and physical keyboard as well, but unfortunately they're not bundled in the package. You'll have to buy them as separate accessories. Last but not the least, if you go to the software section, here you will find that the tab comes with Android version 14 out of the box. And also talking about the storage, I've told you right, on board you're getting 256 GB of storage, and plenty of storage is free, guys. Roughly, even after installing like 3 to 4 AAA games, I'm still left with around 180 to 185 GB. So that's it, our complete overview on the home screen, built-in apps and features. So before we move on and talk about the actual gaming performance and benchmarks, first of all, let me also tell you about the display quality and audio performance. I've told you at the beginning, right, the Legion tablet comes with a 8.8 inches Quad HD Plus 2.5K resolution, basically 2560 by 1600, 144 Hz IPS display. And not just for gaming purpose, I've also used this tablet for a bit of entertainment as well. Watched some YouTube videos, some movies and web series as well on OTT platform, and I have to say I was quite impressed with the overall display quality for the price that you're paying. You're getting good amount of detail, everything looks crisp and clear. Obviously 2.5K resolution at 8.8 inches, the PPI is roughly around 343, and text looks like crisp and clear, guys, very easily readable. If you ask about the contrast ratio is also nice, decent black levels as well. And coming to colors, color quality, color reproduction was also on point. Obviously you're getting a high quality IPS display that supports up to 98% DCI P3 color gamut range, guys. So no matter what sort of content you're watching, right, you'll be like very happy and satisfied with the overall display quality. And if you ask about the viewing angles are also great, and brightness of the panel was also nice. The display could easily go up to like 470, 500 nits also, and I had no issues checking out the display even in like well lit rooms. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, it is not anti-glare coated, and because of that it attracts a bit of reflections and glare, especially if you have like a lot of light sources in the room. Last but not the least, the display also supports Dolby Vision HDR support, and especially if you're watching like movies, right, on OTT platforms like Netflix or Prime Video, you are gonna have like absolute blast enjoying this sort of content. So keeping the display part aside, let me also tell you about the audio performance. On board you're getting stereo speakers, super linear speakers with Dolby Atmos support, and I'm literally telling you, right, I was blown away with the speaker quality and performance on this Legion tablet. I totally did not expect that. You're getting good quality sound, excellent treble performance as well, and decent low frequency response as well. But the main highlight would be the output, guys. The tab can get seriously loud, and I'm telling you, right, you are gonna enjoy gaming on this product. So before we jump into the benchmarks, first of all, let me tell you about the hardware configuration and specs. The Legion tab is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU at this price point, guys. This is a flagship level 4nm octa-core chipset, and paired with Adreno 730, it can easily handle most of your favorite AAA games at maximum graphics also. Adreno 730 is definitely a decent jump coming from the previous Adreno 660 series, and roughly offers around like 25 to 30% improved graphic performance. Pair that with 12 gigs of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage. Not to miss out, the storage on board is also expandable using a micro SD up to 1 TB. So before we talk about the gaming performance, let me also tell you about my casual day-to-day sort of experience. As I've told you, I've been using the Legion tab for the last couple of days, doing variety of things, navigating on the home screen, opening and closing of the apps, even transitions, right, everything feel like buttery smooth on the home screen. Added to that, you're also getting like 144 Hz high refresh rate, right? The overall experience was very nice. I've run a couple of benchmarking apps as well, just have a look at them. So moving on, let's get into the gaming benchmark. benchmarks. I know you people were like eagerly excited for this part, right? We'll be playing different AAA title games, graphic intensive and demanding games that put a lot of load on the hardware. So I'm like pretty excited to show you what sort of FPS and results you will get. But before that, right, first of all, let me tell you, this is a gaming tablet, right? Obviously, Lenovo has also added some game assistant features. You can easily access them by swiping from the left edge of the tablet, just like this. And there you go, you get like a quick access menu. From here, you can check out the real-time CPU stats and also access like quick brightness and volume control toggles. And best part is the tab also offers you like different system profiles, like how you used to get on your laptops, right? Gaming laptops. Here also you're getting 3 different performance mode. First one is called as high performance mode or beast mode. Then you're also getting balanced mode, and a special energy saving mode is also there. So totally depending on your scenario and the type of game you're playing, you can apply different system profiles to get appropriate and optimal sort of results. Like for example, you're playing like very demanding games, maybe like Genshin Impact, BGMI, right? Obviously you would like to apply performance mode only to get best and optimal sort of results. Maybe you're a bit low on battery and you want to conserve the battery life, right? Then you can go to the energy saving mode. Obviously frame rate will drop a bit, but you'll get more battery life, right? So just like that. Along with that, the game assist also offers some quick toggles like DND pop-up notifications block, screen recording is also built in, RAM cleaner, and one more nice addition is real-time floating display. Basically gives you like complete CPU GPU stats and also like a real-time FPS counter, great for gamer nerds like me. Last but not the least, you're also getting bypass charging feature, guys, so gamers are gonna definitely appreciate all these features. So without wasting any more time, let's quickly get started with our gaming test. As I've told you, we'll be playing different games, so we'll start off with Genshin Impact. So we're playing this game at maximum graphic settings. Let me quickly show you the current preset, and also FPS has been set to 60, guys, so let's see how it handles it. And right now we're doing this test in the high performance profile mode, and floating window is also enabled. You can check out the real-time FPS, CPU, GPU stats on the bottom lower left corner of the tablet. Just have a look at the gameplay. Oh wow, are you people looking at the gameplay? Game feels quite smooth, right? I mean, look at that. 144Hz refresh rate display definitely makes a difference, guys. I'm actually enjoying the overall experience on this tablet. Large screen experience, speakers also sound great, and overall gaming performance is also pretty good. As you people can see in the real-time FPS counter, we were getting like a smooth and consistent 58-59 FPS, and most of the time this was only the results. I didn't face any sorts of lags or stutters. So just like this, I've also done like long gaming sessions also in the last couple of days. I've played these sort of AAA games at a single stretch for like 35-40 minutes also, and was getting similar sort of results. Not just Genshin Impact, I've also played other games like BGMI and Asphalt Legends Unite also. BGMI is one of the classic favorites, guys, and everybody usually asks me to definitely include this in the benchmark. And this particular game, right, you can easily play with 90 FPS option. I mean, for a gaming tab around this price point, right, good options they are offering. So you can access Extreme Plus FPS mode, basically 90 FPS in the smooth graphics preset. If you want to increase the graphics preset to maybe like HD or high dynamic range, then you'll only get around like extreme frame rate, guys, basically 60 FPS. But still pretty good options, I would say. I mean, look at this, we're right now playing at smooth and extreme plus option, and we were getting a consistent 90 FPS in the real-time FPS counter. One more question I keep getting a lot is, how is the overall thermal performance? Did you face any sort of CPU throttling or stuff like that? So let me tell you, main thing is the Legion gaming tablet comes with their Legion cold front vapor chamber thermal solution on board, guys, and that was keeping the CPU thermals in check. I mean, you can check out all the CPU temperatures in that floating window, right? Roughly during my gameplay testing, the CPU was fluctuating around like 38-39 degrees, and sometimes it was hitting around like 40-41 degrees centigrade after playing for like 35-40 minutes, guys. So that was the whole scenario. But good thing is the overall thermal solution on board was pretty decent and keeps the CPU thermals in check, and because of that I didn't face any sort of CPU throttling even for longer gaming sessions, and very minimal frame drops or stuttering, guys. Overall I had a very smooth and consistent gaming experience. One more highlight I forgot to mention is the tab also comes with Lenovo's freestyle support, offers a seamless integration into the Lenovo Legion ecosystem, so gamers can effortlessly connect with their other Legion devices, establish a dynamic link, and easily share content all across. Not just Legion laptops, the tab is also compatible with Legion monitors, headsets, keyboards, and mice. So basically Lenovo is trying to offer you like a well-rounded gaming experience with a seamless integration in their Legion ecosystem. We're almost coming to an end, so let me also tell you about the battery life. The Legion Tab is powered by a 6550 mAh lithium polymer battery, and battery life can totally depend on the user. Like for example, if you're a moderate sort of user and you're using this tablet with the brightness set to around like 50-55%, doing casual day-to-day sort of work like checking your mails, watching some videos on YouTube, and also browsing some stuff, right? Then you can easily expect around like 10 to 11 hours of battery life. But if you're like a heavy user, you play a lot of AAA games like BGMI, Genshin Impact at maximum graphics, right? Then you can expect around like 3.5 to 4 hours of battery life on a single charge. But good thing is it does support Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 as well, and does come included with a 45-watt adapter, guys. So that quickly tops up the battery. And that is pretty much it. Time to wrap it up our video on Lenovo's all new Legion Tab. Especially if you're looking to buy a tablet for gaming purpose, right? And you're looking for like powerful hardware on board, then you can definitely go for it, guys. Value for money performance at this price point. You're getting 8.8 inches, 2.5K resolution, 144Hz display, pair that with flagship level Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 CPU, and also 12 gigs of RAM, 256GB storage, which is also expandable using a micro SD. I think it's a pretty good overall package. Only thing if I had to nitpick, right, I wish it had a slightly larger battery, but apart from that, everything else is fine. The tablet price is roughly around 34,999 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. And that's it. Hope you all enjoyed watching the video and got all the information you're looking for. Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.